Hello and welcome to Kerpy's Kitchen. I need content for my YouTube channel because all of my friends are begging me to write stuff, so I decided I might cook the videos. I'm taking a piss. So today, we're gonna make egg sandwiches. So boys, here's the fridge. And we're hungry, so we're a bit drunk. We're gonna take the egg and use normal ass cheese. But I think we're just gonna use some ketchup and cheese Louise, Ricky. I think we got some cheese whiz in the back. Motherfucker. I'm gonna pick up the jar of mayonnaise, put it back in the fridge. And let's get down to fucking business. So here's the stove. This is what the stove looks like. We got a few pots and pans, and since I'm working with one hand, I had to grab my pan. This is my favorite pan. It's Heritage Rock. It's a flat pan. It's a skillet. It's not really a skillet because it doesn't have the bumpies, but it is a skillet thing. It's a pan. We're going to turn the heat on. And we're going to grab some bread from a basket of breads and cookies. And I think I want some soft bread, but you could toast it if you want. And so we're just going to throw it there. I'm going to make 2 sandwiches today. And throw it on the oven or on the stove because we don't give a shit. We'll grab a plate when we're not recording. So we got our breads here. We got more breads over here. Put those there for now because we don't need them. Alright, and there's a pan getting hot. We're going to add some oil to that. Okay, now it doesn't really matter how much oil you add because, you know, eggs aren't overly absorbent, so they won't suck up most of that oil, but, you know, you don't really want to deep fry your eggs either, so just kind of find a medium between deep frying and frying. Should be alright. I got the heat at about medium high, but I'm probably going to turn it down a little bit to about medium. We got our fucking Canada grade A, I guess. Well, that's a little high for my blood, but okay, grade A eggs. We're going to take probably about 1 of those per sandwich, but maybe 2, maybe 1.5, I don't know. We'll see whether or not I can crack them without fucking breaking the yolk. Right now, the oil's heating up, and I guess I kind of want... I'm going to lower the heat a little bit because my eggs, I like slowly cooked eggs, but I mean, to each their own. I'm going to do one of those motherfuckers. I'm going to leave that there for a second. Stop fucking with me. The egg's cooking. Okay. So now I'm gonna slide that egg over a little bit. I'm gonna take our other egg here, this greasy ass motherfucker. I'm gonna crack it over here. Good enough. Alright, now we're gonna throw this in the trash. Thank you. Now with one hand, somehow we're going to dress our bread. And I think the best way to do this is to start with our whiz of cheese. And you know, take whatever cheese you got. In this case, processed garbage. Spread it over your bread. like such. Yum. And we're going to just slather a little more than usual on this one because feeling a little bit heart attacky today. And we'll just slap that there. Who gives a shit? Our eggs are about halfway done, so they're still cooking at a pretty low heat for me. Though you could go higher if you're a little impatient, but me, today I'm feeling like having some perfect eggs. So I'm going to cook it on low. You're going to get your spatula good and under there. Now, your eggs are flipped, so you're going to want to add your salt and your pepper. There you are, some perfectly seasoned eggs, and go back to your bread. Now here you decide whether you're going to be a fucking heathen or a real man or what, and so you add some more cheese whiz. And then you take the ketchup, give that a little shake, and squeeze that motherfucker right there, right there. And we don't need anything more than that. That's perfect right there. That's perfect. Okay, now, I don't know whether you like your eggs as greasy motherfuckers like I do, but I take them off now. Now you could, theoretically, keep cooking them until the yolk's hard, or pop the yolk, whatever the fuck's up with you. But me, I like to make a mess of myself, so I wait until the egg is still a little bit soft. Turn your burner off. And, clean the stove. Yeah. And then top your egg sandwiches with bread. Perfect. Now take the alcoholic's approach. Grab a shot glass. Grab your nearest bottle of whiskey. Drop your phone. Now duck in. Egg sandwich. Yum. And that, my friends, is how you make a delicious egg sandwich. Fuck off.